What is going on, guys? Hold on, I'm setting up over here. I was a little behind. I was eating lunch. Who we got in here? Can you guys hear me? Mic check, mic check. What's going on, Ralph? Bilal? What's up? Tanuj? Conrad? How you doing? Charlie? What's up? Yeah, man. Not scared of no dips here. Let me see. Nikki, what's up? Tariq. All right, you guys can hear me perfect. Let me see if I'm camera ready yet. Where is this? Here we go. What is going on, guys? This has been a crazy 24 hours. Oh, hold on one second. Hold on. Where's there we go. This has been a crazy 24 hours, guys. It's been insane. Let me go ahead and post this up on my socials. I gotta get the link first. So the first news that we're gonna look at here, let me go to the Twitter. Bloomberg Crypto talking nonsense. Where is the nonsense that they wrote? This nonsense. This nonsense right here. Look, it popped up right away. This nonsense right here. Actually, let's go back. Let's just click on this. Let me see. Did I get the link? Share, copy link. All right. Let me see who else is in here. Who else is in here? Say what's up in the chat if you're in here. Tan, what's up? Divya, Jimmy J, Peter, Cheetah. Yes, make sure to like the stream. Appreciate it, guys. What's up, man? Elon manipulated? I don't know if manipulated, but I mean, it feels like it, right? What did I have for lunch? I had some leftovers from Mother's Day. Those are like rice and chicken. Rice, chicken, and melted cheese on top of it all. It's really good. Evan Sean, what's up, man? Glad to see you back. Thomas, short Tesla. Light clicked. Mileno, what is up, girl? Short Tesla. Everybody short Tesla. Everybody, the whole crypto community should cash out and short Tesla. Low-key panicking. Didn't sleep for your live. It's 1 a.m. there. That's crazy. Alejandra, what's up? All right, let me post this on social media. Hold on. Gotta let people know I am live. Make sure they know. Let's teach Elon a message. Yeah, man. I mean, it's tough, man. Like, it's just the worst timing, right? Like, it couldn't have been any worse. Like, literally the worst timing. We already had enough BS. We had so much BS already, and then like, come on, such bad timing. And now people, of course, are gonna try to take advantage and put more FUD in the market to try to crash the price down further. So that's basically what Bloomberg is doing right now. Bloomberg put out that BS news, clickbait, to get more clicks and to cause more FUD in the market. Typical stuff. Hold on, guys. I'm posting the link. All right, I'm posting it on Instagram. I gotta post it on Twitter. Gotta post it on Discord. I gotta post it so many places. Hold on. Live right now. So we're gonna talk about all this news. Let me just post this to my social medias real quick. Let me let everybody know that we're live. All right, I posted it on Twitter, posting it now on Discord, and posting it now on Telegram. This is we've done 3 days. We've gone live this week. That's the most that we've done like ever. All right, I think I got everything posted. The only place I didn't post is on Facebook, but I don't really use Facebook. All right, we're getting a little push up. Nice. Some of my my sell orders filled here. On my trade, just filled up some orders. I'm talking about my bot. All right, I think I'm posted everywhere. I think we're good. Good to go. Hold on, because my mom texted me. All right, now I'm ready. Now I'm good to go. All right, let me catch up here. Let's see who else. Who did I miss here? Who did I miss? Faraz, what's up? Anvit, is that how you said the name? What's up? Alejandra, I said you. I already saw you. Evan Sean says Elon is social dead to me. Thomas, what's up? Tesla down 3% so far. It's down 4% so far. Let's keep shorting it. Yeah, he called Doge a hustle. Desiree, what's up? Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending what part of the world you're in. Amir, what's up? From Egypt. That's crazy, man. No res, what's up? More boring days to sit and wait. What's up, Rivers? Just exited from BNB with 30% profits. Nice. Dope lid, bruh. By the way, what? What lid? What are you talking about? Flip flop musky? What? Sing, what's up? Tesla's going down. Everything's going down. Right now, the news is what's moving the markets. Abdel. Cardano is like one of the only things that are green today, right? Let me see. Cardano is up to 188, but it's already up 20% today. So I don't know if that's a good idea, because it's gonna pull back a bit at some point, right? How much am I down? Let me see. I'm not sure. Oh, I got some more orders filled. What is this? Okay. So my Ethereum orders closed out. Nice. Yeah, so my long-term portfolio, I'm down about 100. Do you think it's gonna be 10? I read that already. Think about changing. I read that. FaZe, what's up? You're confused? Everybody's confused, man. Arbaz, what's up, dude? Brian, how you doing? Namaste from India. Raghav, something like that. What's up, dude? How you doing? How's India? Yeah, man. I said $2. Vedat Tan, I think. I don't know how to say your name. Andy, saludos from Argentina. You know, when I speak to Argentinians in Spanish, when they speak to me in Spanish, like I do not understand. Especially if they speak really fast. I have no idea what they're saying, because the Spanish is just so different. Like for me, a chair is silla. If you're from Argentina, a chair is silla. Silla. It's so confusing for me. Alejandra, it depends. If we hold at 48,000, then we should be fine. If we break below that, then that's when we can test 42,000. Jonathan from Mexico City. What's up, Jonathan? Nah, man, we're not talking about Telcoin. We're not talking about altcoins today, man. Tariq, I have no idea when this drop will stop, man. We need to get some good news. We need to get some good news. We need to get some momentum to the upside. Right now, all the momentum is to the downside. Now there is some bullish setups some bullish scenarios that can happen here. And we'll go over that now. Let me try to catch up here with the chat. Oh, Cardano already hit $2? Oh, I didn't even see it. That's crazy. It hit 210? I did not even see that. Nah, it depends what exchange. On here, the exchange I'm looking at, it hit 196. Omcar, yeah, everything is red, man. Martin, how far will Ethereum fall? Right now, looks like that support is gonna be that $3,500 level. Yeah, Thomas, but as long as I don't sell, I don't lose. You know what I mean? Thoughts on Bitcoin? Is it gonna go down further? I'm hoping that we can hold here at 48,000. That's what we're watching right now. We're watching this 48,000 area. As you can see, it's a previous support here. Hopefully we can get a bounce back up from here. This is a double bottom pattern here. Hello from Albania. Edmund, what's up? What's up, Edmund from Albania? DJ Infinity, it uses a lot of electricity, but depends what you compare it to. You know what I mean? If you compare Bitcoin's electricity to the electricity used by banks, banks dwarf Bitcoin electricity. So that's why I don't understand what this whole thing is. They're like, oh my God, no, Bitcoin uses too much electricity. It's like, how do you think banks run? Do you know how much electricity banks use? Like all of a sudden for Bitcoin, it's a big deal about electricity, but like banks are fine that they use electricity. Like it's such a terrible marketing thing that they're trying to push by people that are against Bitcoin. Like it makes zero sense. And 70% of energy used by miners is renewable energy. So it's just ridiculous, really, to be honest. All right, we're getting a push up, guys. We're almost at 49K. We're almost at 49K. Buy the dip question mark. This is when there's fear in the market like there is today. This is honestly the best time to buy the dip. It's scary, but it is the best time to buy the dip. Doggo, I'm not saying the first part of your name, but Doggo, it is, I'm holding at this point. You know, it's up to you what you want to do. I can only tell you what I'm doing. I'm holding. Ethereum next week. Hopefully we're back at 4K. You're on a business trip at Saudi Arabia. Nice. It's 10 p.m. Coinbase has 210. That's crazy. Jonathan, no, I do not use that. Hello from France. Serge. I'm gonna call you Serge because I don't know what the last two letters. How do you say that in the end? So I'm gonna just call you Serge. Thomas, you sold. What did you sell, and at what price? Yeah, HODL and buying the dip is the way to go. If you've been buying the dip for the last year, you're way into profits. Why is Cardano the only thing going up? I don't know. Maybe people think that Tesla is going to accept Cardano because of the energy or whatever. I don't know. Ralph, it's a good buy when there's fear in the market. Neil, what's up? Yeah, exactly. Bitcoin energy compared to mining gold or mining silver, like it doesn't even compare. It's so dumb. Evan, do you see that sudden push? Do you think it's because I went live and when I go live, it's like bullish for the market and people start buying up the Bitcoin? I think that's what it is. I really think that that this push up has to do with me. Just kidding, guys. Yeah, science rocks. Yeah, Jimmy, I saw that as well. Litecoin is down today. Litecoin is down, what, 3% today? It's not that bad. I actually bought more Litecoin today. At around 300, I bought some. It went under 300 actually, but I bought around 300. Edmund, no problem, man. For people in Asia and Europe, is it a good idea to hold right now? If it's for long term, then yes, it's fine to hold for long term. You know, you're not worried about the dailies, you know what I mean? You're not worried about the short term. Yeah, Brian, I know. I always think about that same thing. Nice job, bro. Who's that? Solievo? Solievo? What's up, dude? Conrad, I don't think that's that I don't think it's correlated to that, no. Aranga, thank you. I appreciate you tuning in. Yeah, Peter, I'm just trying to interact with the chat and answer everybody. We should look up what crypto uses the least electricity. I saw something earlier today. I don't remember. What's up, Kathy? How you doing? Appreciate you tuning in. Oh, pullback. You mean a push up, man? I come live. I go live when there's a pullback in the market. I purposely go live during pullbacks. And then when I get on, the price goes up. So I think you got it backwards. Yeah, Martin. So I think that's why Cardano's going up today. They use less than 1% energy. Made like 10 losing trades. That's not good, Thomas. You just got to hold, man. Yeah, I agree, Jimmy. Ethereum, well, the whole market right now is just following Bitcoin. You saw that wholesome nutrition. I hopped on the live stream yesterday when the price was dipping. As soon as I jumped on the live, the price stopped dipping and it started going up a little bit, right? And I was on for 2 hours. As soon as I hopped off the live, the price dumped again. Like, I think I have something to do with it. I don't know yet. But I think that I am the key to all of this. I think I just have to stream 24 hours a day and we'll have no issues, right? The current situation in BTC, we have a double. So we have a couple different patterns here. So the first pattern that we're looking at here, let me get my little drawing tool. So if you guys see here, boom, and boom, this is a double bottom pattern, right? But the issue is that we also have this, and this. This is a head and shoulders pattern. So the double bottom pattern is a bullish reversal signal, right? But a head and shoulders pattern is a bearish reversal signal. So we have two different patterns on the chart right now. We have to see which one plays out. So in my opinion, if we hold above $48,000, which is the double bottom pattern, and that's more or less the neckline of this head and shoulders as well. If we can hold this, we should bounce back. Okay, so if we can hold this, we should bounce back. If we break beyond this, if we surpass the low of yesterday over here, if we break this, then I'm worried that we will continue down towards here. So that's around the $43,000 to $42,000 zone. So that's going to be the next support there. So that's what we're watching for right now. Okay, that's the situation in Bitcoin right now. as far as from a technical standpoint. All right, I am going to I'm really far behind in the chat, so I'm just going all the way to the newest chat because I can't keep up with where I was. Yeah, guys, please do not spam the chat, guys. Post it one time. All the clothing dryers in the US use more energy. Yeah. Paola, what's up from London? I gotta go to London. Stay online, bro. Yeah, I gotta stay online so that the price stops dipping. Look at the price. Since I've been on, we've gone up $1,000, guys. Since I went live, we have gone up $1,000 in Bitcoin. That's crazy. Stream all day until we hit 100,000. Imagine a 24-hour stream. That's insane. Yeah, for sure, Martin. Tesla accepting Bitcoin was definitely marketing. However, there are some people that want to spend Bitcoin. For example, a lot of my business, I get paid in Bitcoin. So I rather make a purchase with Bitcoin than cash out the Bitcoin to my bank to then make a purchase. Do you understand what I'm saying? So depending on, it depends on the person. If you're just an investor, like I have my long-term portfolio, I have my trading portfolio, and then I have income that I have from my businesses that come in crypto, and that sometimes I want to use, to cash out to, pay bills or to buy something, whatever it may be. And a lot of times I always look for the option to pay in Bitcoin if I can, because I rather pay straight up in Bitcoin than cash out to my bank and let my bank know that I'm cashing out Bitcoin, and then have to go through that. You know what I mean? Paola, how did the hold on. Jimmy says, you become an important factor on the price of crypto. It's been demonstrated this week. Yeah. Thanks, Jimmy. What's up, Perrin? Paola says, how did the bot manage to drop? So I have 9 bots running. 8 bots survived. Well, 7 bots survived the drop and they have closed out in profits. 1 bot out of the 9 is still in an open trade and it's a little stuck because I have to change some settings on it. And all these bots have different capital, which is why they're a little bit different. And then the last bot did not make it, unfortunately. So 1 bot did not make it. But 1 out of 8, 1 out of 9 did not make it. 1 has an open trade still, and if the price gets to 50K, 52K, it'll be able to close out at a profit. So that one will be fine. The rest of the bots are in profit. I have a bot on Ethereum that's up $3,000 on the day. I have a bot on Bitcoin that's up about another $2,500 on the day. So the bots did really good. I just the 2 bots, the one that didn't make it, I have to fix. I have to change some settings on it, and the one that's still open, I also have to mess around with some settings on it. But that's why I run multiple bots with multiple capital, so I can see, how they perform. This is why we're still in beta. DJ Infinity, you're doing a great job, buddy. Love your stream. Thank you, man. Appreciate it, DJ. Think, make decisions. What's up? Yeah, it's hard to say when it's the end of the bull cycle. I do not believe it's the end of the bull cycle yet, though. What crypto is that? What do you mean? BNB, everything's pulling back right now. Shiba, I don't know. I don't look at Shiba. Is the IRS investigation price sensitive? Guys, there is no IRS investigation. That is fake news. Where does Elon Musk live? Does anybody know where he lives? He's in Texas, right? Mario's, I have multiple businesses. Yeah, make sure to smash the like button, guys. J Live equals a market pump. You're not wrong. Patrickson, yeah, but it still hasn't played out, and it wasn't due to a pattern that the dump happened. This was due to the news. This has nothing to do with any technical analysis. Because of the dump, now it's set up that pattern. But before, the pattern wasn't playing out yet, and it wouldn't have played out. Now because of the Elon dump, now it's possible for that case scenario to play out. Yes, guys, we need 100 likes, guys. Make sure to smash that like button. If you're in here, we have 151 people in the stream right now. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We're all watching the market together. Currently, we're seeing a bounce right now, guys. We're seeing a bounce in the markets. Paola, there's still a little bit of time. I still got some work to do. My biggest focus with the bots is to not lose anybody money. That's my biggest focus. Yes, Betty, Binance FUD. Thomas, I thought he moved. Didn't he move to Texas? I thought I read somewhere that he moved to Texas. My take on ETC, it basically follows ETH. He lives in LA. Friendly banks in the US. If you trade crypto, I have several different banks. I have Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America. Those are the main ones I'm using currently. Yeah, I have two different drop shipping businesses, Mario's. Zoe, it's up to you. If you're holding long term, then you should just hold. If you're doing short term trades, that's definitely a selling opportunity, and then buying back on a dip, or buying back if it goes above $2. Yes, Ethereum is recovering. How long is the dump gonna last? I wish I knew. I do believe Elon hates us. No problem, Didi. Thanks for watching the price with me as well. Varun. No, that's not why the price is down. The price is down because of a lot of panic in the market. Ethereum is a hold. Holding strong on Doge at 55. Where is Doge? I haven't even looked at Doge. Doge is at 39 cents. It's flat on the day. Market will eventually bounce back, yes. I'm holding Varun. I don't have any Dogecoin though. Doga, I have no idea what that is. KuCoin. Carlos, yeah, the question is when and what will trigger it. Yeah, I have no idea when. What will trigger it? momentum probably. We need either some sort of bullish news that'll give us some momentum back to the upside, or if we get a technical bullish move over here. So if we get a technical bullish move to the upside, if we break 52K, then we're back on track to head back up. If we don't break 52K, then we have this selling pressure still here. Yeah, it's gonna be something separate from the Telegram trade group. When is a clear dip signal? What do you mean? Litecoin and XRP. Litecoin is headed for its previous all-time high at 420. XRP is headed probably to its previous all-time high once the SEC case is settled. Cardano is cool. How do you see it? I see it bullish, especially today. Cardano's up 20% today, 21%. Be greedy when others are fearful. Yep, 100% agreed. It'll be great to hear a little bit about how you suggest structuring a crypto portfolio. So I have done a video on this before, Charlie, but I probably did a long time ago, where I talk about, you know, setting up your crypto portfolio. And basically the way I do mines, I would say about half of my earnings, half of my portfolio, I'm sorry, is in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then I have about 20% in altcoins, and then I have about 20% that I use for day trading, and about 10% that I try to keep in cash. I have a live video. Hold on. Yo, I'm on the live stream right now, bro.
Oh, bro, I didn't know.
Look, I'm on the live stream right now, bro. I got 185. Hold on, 185 people watching right now, bro.
Yeah, they know you're the crypto king. That's why.
Yeah, man, the market's dumping. Nah,
That's really bad. I saw.
yeah, let me hit you back.
Do your thing. I'm here.
Alrighty, peace. That was one of my friends, one of my close friends. He just FaceTimed me. Told him he was live. But yeah, Charlie, did I answer your question? So a story about Binance. So let's talk about the story about Binance real quick, guys. And to answer your question really quick, Charlie, 10% in cash is for days like today when the market drops. You want to always have cash to add on to your position. Then as the price goes back up, build up your 10% in cash position again. So as the price goes up, start selling for profits, build up that 10% in cash position, and then just hold 10% in cash for the next drop. Josh, what's up, my brother? Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Oscar, what's going on? Varun, you can purchase Bitcoin definitely at the current price if it's for long term. So if we look here, guys, this is the crypto fear and greed index. You can see right now there is a lot of fear in the market. The fear and greed index is at fear 31. Let me see. I know there's like a chart somewhere where it shows us like the history. Here we go. Let's look at the last 3 months. So we're at 31. This is the lowest that we've been since April 25th and April 26th. So let's see what happened April 25th and 26th. Let's go back to the chart. Let's look at April. All right, look at April 25th. This is when fear was at 31 last time. It was this red candle right here. And the 26th is when we had the big candle up. So if we go back to the fear and greed index, it was those 2 days. And then the very next day after the green candle, it went back up to 50% and so forth. After that, the last time it was this low was March 1st. So if we look back at March 1st, let's see, March 1st was literally the day that we bottomed out, and then we started heading back up. Then the last time we were this low was the day we bottomed out and started heading back up. And then now we're back there basically at the bottom. So it is a possibility. I'm not saying this is not a signal that says we're gonna reverse back up, but it's to give you guys an idea. When there's fear in the market, it's when it's good to make long-term purchases. So if you want to enter long-term positions, when there's fear in the market is when you should be putting money in. You should not be putting money in when there's greed in the market. So if you want to buy Bitcoin for your long-term investment, now is the time. We got 200 people in the chat, guys. What is going on? 202 people right now. Guys, make sure to like the video. We got 200 people, but only 79 likes. Let's get it up to 100 likes, guys. Let's hit those triple digits. Oscar buying another Bitcoin today. Smart man, smart man. Yeah, Carlos, that's what I'm saying. That's why I'm not entering any day trading positions until we get back above 52,000. But for short term, but for long term positions, I've already bought here today. I've already bought some long term positions. Asia, yeah, I've covered the head and shoulders. I'll talk about it again in a bit. Good, right now, anything with altcoins is not important because whatever Bitcoin does is the altcoins are going to follow. So that's why I'm not covering altcoins today. It's not important today. Yeah, straddle. Yeah, we are forming a double bottom on the daily chart as well. Binance news, yes. So I keep getting distracted. So Binance news, guys. This is the Binance news. And no, I don't want to claim this offer. How do I get this out of my way? It pisses me off. Bloomberg crypto with their BS FUD, with their clickbait news. Bloomberg crypto posted this today, saying Binance faces probe by U.S. money laundering and tax sleuths. Right? And it's, guys, it's a bunch of BS. Okay? What this whole thing is, if you then come over, if you could either read the article and it'll touch on it a little bit more clearer. This is just clickbait right here. But if you go to Binance itself, it will break down exactly what the article is actually talking about. So here it is again, breaking, and it's super clickbait, guys. Breaking: Binance, the world's biggest crypto exchange, is under investigation by the Justice Department and IRS. Super clickbait, guys. Super FUD. They're just trying to cause more chaos in the market. That's what these big groups love to do. So they try to disguise themselves as Bloomberg crypto, but they're not crypto, guys. So don't let that fool you. And then what Binance response is: we take our legal obligations very seriously and engage with regulators and law enforcement in a collaborative fashion. We have worked hard to build a robust compliance program that incorporates anti-money laundering principles and tools used by financial institutions to detect and address suspicious activity. We have a strong track record of assisting law enforcement agencies around the world, including the United States. So, guys, what Binance does is they collaborate with officials to help on anti-money laundering issues. Okay? It has nothing to do with how they phrase this. It has nothing to do with being breaking news, that they're being probed and that they're under investigation by the Justice Department and the IRS. Guys, if any of you have ever used Binance, you know how strict Binance is. They do KYC. You have to show identification. You have to prove that you are who you are. You have to take a picture, send them a picture. So I think they ask for passports maybe. You have to prove who you are. You can't just get on there and trade. Like if you just open a Binance account, you're very limited to what you can do with it and the amount of crypto that you can send out or bring in. So you have to do the KYC and prove that you are who you say you are in order to use Binance. Binance also has regular Binance that US residents cannot use, and they have Binance US that's specifically for US residents. And Binance US is a limited version of the original exchange, okay? Binance US, you can't, for example, like trades futures, and you can't trade with leverage, things like that. So it's very limited. So guys, Binance works with regulators all the time. And I know that Binance is very strict, which is why I don't use Binance. But yeah, but that's pure FUD, guys, pure FUD. Carlos, as well as Ethereum, I think VeChain has a big market cap, doesn't it? What's the market cap on VeChain? Oh my god, here we go with the BS guys. Yeah, crypto Werbung, you're out of here, dude. Yeah, Binance is pretty secure. You aren't an alpha, man. I want to be like you. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Guys, I'm not gonna cover any altcoins today because altcoins are not important today. So the main things here is today is the price of Bitcoin. This is a daily chart, so I'm gonna go over this again. On the daily chart, we have two different things here. So we have a bullish case scenario and we have a bearish case scenario. Which one do you guys want to hear first? You guys want to hear the bullish or the bearish? What do I use? I use I trade. So I use Bybit to trade. I day trade. Damn, everybody wants to hear the bearish case scenario. Okay, so let's talk about the bearish case scenario. So for the bearish case scenario, we have the head and shoulders. This is what's circled here. We got the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. So if we look up a head and shoulders pattern and a definition of a head and shoulders pattern, right? I like to show you guys so you guys know exactly what it is and you guys learn as well. So we look up head and shoulders pattern and we look up the exact definition. On technical analysis chart, the head and shoulders formation occurs when a market trend is in the process of reversal, either from a bullish or a bearish trend. A characteristic pattern takes shape and is recognized as a reversal formation. Okay, so, and then there's also inverse head and shoulders, but we're going to cover head and shoulders right now. So let's look at pictures of head and shoulders. Every time I say head and shoulders, it reminds me of shampoo. Does that happen to anyone else? All right, let's look at head and shoulders. What's a good picture here? So let's just look at some specifics here, something simple. So left shoulder, right, is usually shorter than the head, and it's usually around more or less equal to the right shoulder. And then there's the head, which is the peak of the head and shoulder, right? So it's the peak, then it's a lower peak, it's a lower peak here. And this usually comes from an uptrend. So then the trend line is here. So you can see that this also forms basically a double bottom here. So I think if we look back at this pattern and we look at this, this is the beginning, right? The uptrend. This is the left shoulder. This is the peak, the right shoulder, and that's where we are right now. So let's see, the right shoulder, boom. This is where we are right now. We're right here. So two different things can happen on this pattern. So you see that it is technically a double bottom if we get a bounce. So if we get a bounce, it's technically a double bottom. If we don't get a bounce, that's when the bullish case scenario comes in. If we don't get a bounce, we can continue to the downside. As you guys can see here, breakout and trend reversal to the downside. So that's why I'm telling you guys that 48,000, this level right here, needs to hold up. Okay, 48,000 has held. It's held here. It held here. It was resistance here. So it's an important level. And you're also going to see that it's a Fibonacci level as well. You see here, it's a Fibonacci level right there. So there is a lot of support here. All right. Now the thing is, we have to hold here. If we do not hold and we close the candle, if this daily candle closes underneath this level, then we can be facing that. At that point can mean the breakout and trend reversal to the downside. At that point, we're facing, the next support here is 42,000 basically, which is the next trend here. So that's the bearish case scenario, that we don't hold here and that we continue to the downside. 42,000 and $40,000 will be the next hold, the next support here. Beyond that, then we're going to see, we can test 38,000 all the way down to, possibly, if we look back here, we can go down as far as $30,000. So it'll be, the next support will be 42, 40, and basically $30,000. So that's the bearish case scenario. Now the bullish case scenario is we have a double bottom here. We have this bottom, we have this bottom, right? So now let's look up double bottom pattern. So let's find a simple one as well. So what's a double bottom? It's usually, retracement up. Let me find the definition for it first. On. I can't see the left side of my screen because of my camera. So let's go to all. All right, so double top and double bottom are reversal chart patterns observed in the technical analysis of financial trading markets, stocks, commodities, currencies, and other assets. So let me see what this one. A double bottom pattern is a technical charting pattern that describes a change in the trend and a momentum reversal from the prior leading price action. So this is a little bit more clearer as far as the definition. So you see that the pattern describes a change in trend and a momentum reversal from prior leading price action. So that's an important thing there. So the same way that a head and shoulders pattern is a trend reversal, a double bottom pattern is also a trend reversal pattern. But now this is a bullish reversal pattern. Head and shoulders is a bearish reversal pattern. So let's look here. Let me see. This one looks pretty simple. Is there another one? Let's click on this one. So if the double bottom pattern is right, then why market move opposite direction? I don't know what the heck they wrote there. But basically what the double bottom pattern is, it's supposed to go to the upside, right? Now this person here wrote, now I understand what they're writing, why market move opposite direction. So you see that it was a double bottom, and then instead of it breaking out, this is a fake out, and it continued back down. So remember, the pattern doesn't always play out. It's just a probability, right? There's probabilities for every pattern to play out. So you can see here, this one was a fake out and it went back down to the downside. So it faked people out. People thought it was going to break out, double bottom pattern, and as like, ha, psych, just kidding, and continued back down. So this is actually trading in a trend. So I don't know what happened here, but the support would have been down here, and it would be, at that point, if it bounces there, it will be a triple bottom, right? So what we're looking at, it's very similar. We have the bottom, then we have the resistance, then we have a bottom. So on the bounce back up, $60,000 is going to be that resistance. This right here, this is a resistance. So we would need to break out of that to then continue up. That would give us momentum. If that pattern played out, it will give us the momentum to the upside. A break beyond 60K at that point would for sure take us up to the previous all-time high and beyond at that point, which my target would be 70K in that case scenario. So those are the two different patterns. They're two completely different case scenarios, and you have to be prepared for both. You have to have a balanced mindset and just kind of look at both of them, see which one plays out, right? So right now, the 48K is holding. As long as it holds, I'm looking for the double bottom pattern. If we break beyond it and we close beyond 48, then I'm gonna be looking towards the head and shoulders pattern. So that's where we are right now as of this moment. I hope you guys learn a thing or two there. Elon ruined your life? That's a bit dramatic. Let me see. Yeah, Arada. Yeah, Binance is very secure. Not this guy again, bro. Come on, guy. Hide user on this channel. See, now you're hidden. And this guy too. Hide user on this channel. I can't ban people. I just want to ban them. I can't ban them. I have to just hide the user. It feels better when I could just ban somebody and kick them. You know what I mean? I just want to kick somebody. I want to smash them with the ban hammer. Yes, we got 100 likes, guys. We got 104 likes. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Which way do you think it's going to go? I don't Jenny B, I don't go off of where I think it's gonna go. If you're trying to predict where the price is gonna go, then you form a bias. I try to not have a bias. So don't try to think where the price is gonna go. Just watch where the price is going. You know what I mean? Don't try to think ahead, like as far as, oh, I think the price is going up. If you think like that, then you're only playing the upside and you're not leaving. You have no plan for a case scenario where it goes to the downside. So if it goes down, if you're wrong, then what happens? What do you do? So you need to have a plan in both case scenarios. So don't try to think where it's gonna go. Just play the price where it goes. This guy, Nick says, bro, you look good, not gonna lie. Thank you, Nick. Appreciate it. I'm sure you're a handsome fellow yourself. Wholesome nutrition, the entry points. I'm not entering any trades here. But if you were entering something, probably under 45, you would have to see a close probably. But it'll be under 45K would be a short entry. And beyond 52K would be a long entry for me. Homes of highlights. No problem, man. Thank you. Nick, right now for Litecoin, it's just following the rest of the market. I'm not gonna do an analysis on it because there's no point, because it doesn't matter what the analysis is. The only analysis important right now is Bitcoin. Everything else is gonna follow, so it doesn't matter. Mario's, no problem, man. Thank you for tuning in. Zufall, yes, I'm long BTC. An M pattern on the 1 hour. I don't really make decisions based on the 1 hour chart. Yeah, for sure, Carlos. Always make sure that you do your own research and you trust, your research. Give them boots. Yeah. John Prado says, that's great advice. Thank you, man. Aniol, do you think it's a good moment to buy BTC? Yeah. It's always the best time to buy the dip when there's fear in the market. I think all altcoins will do well if once Bitcoin recovers. Everything should go back up. Jenny B, what do I do to keep profits? So I have a long-term portfolio that I don't touch. It's just in until I start getting the sentiment that the bull run is over. Then I'll start taking profits on those. But then I have a trading portfolio where I just use that money to trade. And that's how I'm taking profits consistently throughout the whole run. And I also have a 10% of my portfolios in cash reserves, where I buy these dips like this, like today. And then as it goes back up, as it recovers, I sell and build up a new 10% cash reserves. Is it crazy to start with only one crypto? No, it's not crazy, man. I started with only one crypto. I started with Bitcoin and then slowly got into the others. And Ethereum for me is a good bet. Awesome, man. Can't wait to see you in the group. No, you shouldn't buy dips on BTC only. You could buy dips on any project or coin or token that you believe in. I believe in Ether. Definitely. I think it's gonna go up high. Why are all following Bitcoin? How are they connected? So Bitcoin is the king of the market. You have to understand this. The whole crypto market is based off of Bitcoin. So it follows Bitcoin, whether Bitcoin goes up or down. So you have to remember that Bitcoin is the king. I don't invest in Shiba, guys. It's a meme token. There's no real project behind it. That's more gambling than investing. Cardano's doing amazing today, yeah. Anything that's down right now, you can buy. If you believe in the project, man, you can buy. I don't really go into altcoins a lot. The only altcoin I bought today was Litecoin. And I bought more Ethereum and more Bitcoin. That's pretty much it. Sasan, the entry for Bitcoin right now is going to be above $52,000. Anything else is just not good enough for me at this moment in time. There's too much momentum to the downside. I need momentum to the upside. So I think around 52,000. If it pops up above 52, that should be showing some momentum back to the upside. That's also above one of our Fibonacci levels here. So that's when I start, where I'll look for an entry. Bullish divergence on the 4-hour. I haven't checked. So let's pull up the RSI here. You see that this is going down, down, and the low is here. No, I think it's intact right now. I don't see a bullish divergence. Sports vid, I don't do Shiba, bro. Homes of highlight, if it's for long term, just hold it. If it's short term, then you can take profits whenever you're in profit. Yeah, ADA is killing it, man. You must be making a killing today, Oscar. While the whole market is bleeding, you're just out here killing it with Cardano, huh? BNB follows Bitcoin, guys. Like right now, BNB is following Bitcoin. That's why it's down. Keenan, it's up to you, really. You could split it in both. Ethereum probably has a little bit more ROI upside. Mr. G said, I staked ETH when it was only $200 a share. That was May last year. Best decision of my life. Still staking. Dude, that is amazing. I gotta applaud you for that, man. Applaud you for that. Amazing work, dude. Just amazing work. Will ETH go up again? Yes, it will go up again. What about Evan Sean? That's not that much of a wait. That's only what, $3,000 away. That could happen in the next 24 hours. Marking mark to start a Fibonacci retracement, you have to start at an impulse move. So you have to start from somewhere where the price started moving. Like right here. Start from the impulse move up to the top. I have if you go to my trading tutorials and you scroll down, I have a tutorial on Fibonacci, how to use Fibonacci retracement tool. So it's somewhere right here. How to trade using Fibonacci retracement. Step-by-step beginner's guide. So if you watch that, it's only 11 minutes long. I go exactly through how to trade it. Guys, we have 241 viewers in the chat right now. What is going on, guys? Appreciate you guys tuning in and being in here with me. I am one of the only people that goes live when the prices dip. I love going live when there's a dip in the market. So I hope you guys are enjoying yourselves and tuning in. Thank you. Make sure to smash the like button, guys. We're at 118 likes, but we have 236 viewers. We got to even it up, guys. Make sure to smash the like if you haven't done so yet. Let's get up to 200 likes. And if you guys are not subscribed yet, of course, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Every time you guys like the video and subscribe, you know what happens? Look, this is what happens. Let me show you. Let me show you what happens. Look at Bitcoin right now. Look at the price, guys. Going up. We're going up, guys. So every time you subscribe and you like the video, the price goes up just a little bit more. So go ahead and make sure to do that, guys. All right, let me catch up with the chat, guys. I'm like way behind. Andre, we already spoke about that, man. That's fake news. Please do not spam fake news Look at this guy. Oh my goodness. Hide user. What's with all this spam? This guy's using a Bitcoin daily name to spam the chat. That's crazy. Please, guys, do not fall for that. Do not fall for when anyone with their name Bitcoin Daily, if they tell you to message them on WhatsApp, it is not me, okay? People are using my name Bitcoin Daily and my picture and then telling you to message them on WhatsApp. It is, or Telegram. It is not me, guys. That is a scam. You will be scammed by whoever that is that they're pretending to be me. It is not me. All right, just want to make that clear. Milena says, I love your stream, bro. Thank you. Andre, since you were posting that, we already covered the fake news. This right here, this is fake news. If you did not see it, if you were not in here before, this is fake news, guys. This is FUD. It is clickbait headline to get you to click it. If you actually read the article, you will realize that. Also, if you go over to Binance, then you will realize what the article is actually about. So do not fall for the fake news, guys. Jagpreet, is that how you say your name? Jagpreet? He says, honestly, I don't miss your live ever. So much knowledge I get. Keep it up. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. I too am loving your stream, actual bro, says Hayaku Des. Yes, Sandre, it is not easy. It is not an easy thing to do. Mon, yeah, 2 to 3 is decent. What you have to focus on really though is not the amount that you're going to be starting with. Focus, you want to be focused on learning how to actually trade first. You know what I mean? So that's what the trade room is. The first thing that we push is learning, to make sure that you're able to follow. If you want to follow the signals correctly and the trades correctly and make profits, you have to learn how to follow everything. So that's the first thing that we push, to learn before you earn. So we focus on learning to make sure that you're educated once you get into the crypto group before you start making your trades, okay? So so it's not that important, at least for the first month. I think your first month you should solely be focused on learning, and we can help you out in the group with that. And then once your second month comes around, then you can start worrying more. You can start, you know, with small amount of funds, because while you're learning, I don't want you to be using a lot of funds, because you're gonna make mistakes. And then once you're comfortable, I would say in about 3 months, you should be ready to really test out your trades with larger amounts of funds. Yeah, a lot of people are buying like lottery tickets for sure. But I don't play the lottery. I don't trade penny stocks, and I don't trade meme coins. Henry, that makes sense, but I mean, we'll never know for sure. I don't, again, like, if there's a project that you really believe in, that you really understand, that you think will be around long term and that has value, go for it. I don't do that though. You know, that's just my personal preference though. I'm in Ethereum for sure. I'm in BNB. I don't have any money in ETC or crypto.com coin. Views on Ripple. Ripple will go back to new all-time highs once the case probably settles. Once it settles, which I know that it's eventually going to do, they should go back to new all-time highs. But who knows how long that will be? It could take another year. It could take longer. You know, we don't know when that day will come. Sweet berries. BTC already went to 45,000. If you look at the chart here, guys, we do not have we do not have enough people subscribing and liking the video. The price is going back down. Guys, like and subscribe for the price to go up. I'm telling you, this channel is directly correlated to the Bitcoin price. I'm telling you. Yeah, for sure, Carlos. I agree. Perrine, I don't know what nano is. Like, I've never looked it up, so I don't have any knowledge on it. Sing, yeah, for sure. When I first started trading, I probably lost $10,000-$20,000. But I didn't see it as a loss. I saw that as paying for education. You know what I mean? So the same way, if you go to college, you have to pay thousands and thousands of dollars. The same thing with trading. When you're a beginner, you have to educate yourself. So you have to pay money. It costs money to get educated. Quick question. New to Bitcoin, do you buy when the rate is bad and sell when the rate is up? Yeah. That's the whole idea. Nathan, if you're just trading small amounts and you don't mind, then that's fine. You can use Robinhood. But you have to know that in Robinhood you do not own the crypto. You own a note that's tied to the value of crypto. So Robinhood actually owns it, not you. But, you know, you can still make money doing it. Glatheus, what price is ETC at now? The magic word magician. Yeah, there's the news on Binance is this right here. It's fake news. You can invest in Ripple now if you like. Yeah, I'm invested in Ripple. I got money in Ripple. No problem. Bitcoin to the moon. I don't know why they would block your accounts in Europe. Yeah, there's supposed to be that the 1559 update. I know miners they don't want it because they're gonna make less money for mining, so they're trying to hold it back. But what happens if there's no update for the fees? Ethereum's price is gonna drop, so they're gonna lose money regardless. Yeah, Robinhood is sketch, but like if you're new, it's fine to get your toes wet. You know what I mean? No, I do not own any VeChain. Yes, we're at 142 likes, guys. We're 8 likes away from 150. We are 100. I'm sorry. We are 58 away from 200, guys. We got 200 likes on yesterday's live stream. I'm sure we can do it again. I'm going to stream for another half an hour. So we have half an hour to hit 200 likes. Yeah, Glatheus, you just gotta hold, man. Once the market starts jumping back up, um, everything should return. Thank you, Nathan. Appreciate it. My guy, why are you spamming? Like, why? Why? I don't understand. Dinesh, I don't know what RLC is. Should you hold Binance? I'm holding Binance. Mosin, thank you. Yeah, Mosin says every time I see your live, I just join. You always talk with solid fundamentals, no clickbait stuff. Yeah, man, I try to be as honest as possible. The BNB burns, yeah, it should definitely help. Anytime there's any type of burn events, coin burn events, it pushes the prices up. 350 different cryptos. That is wild. I hold maybe 10 cryptos. Maybe 15 max. Definitely not more than 15 cryptos. Yes, I own LTC. Mosin, thank you. Let me see. I mean, it's been only a day, Glatheus, so just gotta hold on. Let's see what happens. If you're at a loss, then you have to figure out if you want to sell at a loss, cut your losses, or if you want to hold and see, hopefully, if it bounces back. I think it will probably bounce back at some point, at least up to like 50 cents. But, I don't know. I'm not invested in Dogecoin. I don't plan to invest in it. So that's kind of up to you. But Litecoin was at $35. Amazing. I bought Litecoin at around that price as well. Yes, I own Chainlink. Coinbase just released their earnings. Is that true? Paul says, hey man, hope you're doing well. Took your advice yesterday and got out back in at bargain prices. Appreciate it. Cheers. Amazing, dude. Best coins to invest for 6 months? Ethereum. It'll at least double. I think Cake is good. I think it's a good project. That scam people. Thank you, Ania. Yeah, Robinhood is sketchy. You got to be careful with Robinhood. Oh man, I don't know. I don't know if you should open up a leverage trade right now. Right now, it's dangerous to open up any type of leverage trade. Acast Khan, thank you so much. Make sure to subscribe, guys. I'm sure we have a lot of new people in here. Who's new? Who's here in the live stream for the first time? Who here? How do I phrase this? Who has never seen my face before and this is the first time you see me? Only if you're enjoying it though. If you're not enjoying it, then don't let me know. Nah, it's not gonna last another year, man. That's dramatic. Bjorn. Yes, hold. Khan, he says, me bro, welcome to the family, man. Carlos, the second time. Molly, what's up, Molly? Glad you could join. Usco, glad you could join. Let me see. Homes of Highlight. Animus, what's up? Free Crypto. Mayo. Dinesh is here for the first time. Bijarki. I know I'm saying your names wrong, and I'm sorry, guys. I read them in English, so I'm just trying to make sense of them in English. I know a lot of you are not from, don't have English names, so I'm sorry. Turf battles on your company account. That's fine, man. Give us a sub on your company account so that they're informed as well. Link Marine from Spain, first time. Homes of Highlights, first time. Nadine says, not me. They've been here before. You're a vet. Already subscribed and liked the video. Thank you. Appreciate it. Ania says, you funny. Thank you. Appreciate it. TTV. Oh, are you a Twitch streamer? TTV says, me. I already got you guys. ASN Alex says, exclamation point. Mr. G says, me, first time here, just subscribe. Thank you, man. Welcome to the family. First time stream ended within seconds of me joining in. Are you talking about yesterday? Was it yesterday's stream? Rema, hi. Free crypto. I already said you. I already called you out, bro. Paul says, I'm enjoying it. Honest opinions. Thank you. Let me see. Who else? George, second time. Nathan, first time. What's up, Nathan? I really enjoy your stream. Thanks, Homes of Highlights. Yeah, man. Hopefully in the next few days, really. All subbed. Awesome. Thank you, Turf Battles. How do I predict the prices of crypto using the chart with red and green candlesticks? So it's basically based off of patterns that happens. It's based off of different levels that I see on the chart. Did I say patterns already? It's based off support and resistance. It's based off momentum. Frederick, yeah, we'll do a live trading session at some point for sure. I've done them in the past. I haven't done one in a while, so I'll definitely jump into one sometime soon. Stupid question. What's the difference between Ethereum and Ethereum Classic? Ethereum Classic used to be the original Ethereum, and then there was a fork, the same way there's forks with Bitcoin, and then the fork Ethereum was the upgrade to Ethereum Classic. So Ethereum kept the name, and the new Ethereum kept the name Ethereum. The old Ethereum changed to Ethereum Classic. Second time, Keenan. Awesome, dude. I'm glad to see you back. Do we see 23K Bitcoin today? No way. Vlad, following for 2 years. You're a vet, man. Mateo says, love you, bro. Love you too. Man, we're over 100 years away from the day that all Bitcoin is mined. So none of us will be around at that point. Isn't it weird to think that there's 200 of us in a channel asking about, invested in Bitcoin, and by the time all Bitcoin is mined, none of us will exist anymore? I don't even like to think about that, guys. Let's change the subject. Gamer Royale, what's up, dude? Trading bots are good if you know how to use them. It takes a lot of work. Trust me, because I've been doing it for about 2 months now. It's a lot of work. You have to know how markets work. Jose Sanchez, yeah, it looks like if we look at Ethereum, it looks like there is support at 3,600. We've had about 19% drop on Ethereum from its all-time highs. Ariane, I'm not invested in Anchor. I have not looked into the company, so I really don't know. Will Doge rise? Probably, but based off hype, not based off of anything, you know? Yeah, it's based off experience and recognition and, you know, just doing it every single day. Chico, nice info, bro. Thank you. Elon tweeted again? What did he tweet now? What did he say? Uh-oh. I'm scared. I'm scared to look. But the markets haven't reacted bad. So I'm thinking that it's not that bad. Elon Musk. Elon. Make humanity. No, that's not it. Elon didn't tweet again. Lies. Maybe tweets and replies. Oh, 16 minutes ago? Is this what he tweeted? Is this what he just tweeted? Let's look at these links that he put up. So he tweeted 16 minutes ago, he tweeted these things. So let's take a look at what Elon just tweeted. Maybe if we're rich enough, we can transfer consciousness into AI. Have you guys seen that show? There's a show on Amazon Prime. That's basically what they do. Anyone before they die or when they die, they transfer their consciousness into AI. It's a crazy show. Like, imagine you can do that. Yeah, for sure. It's better to learn trends, patterns, and learn how to trade overall. Twitter is just don't trade based on Twitter. What do you mean, bro? We're talking about a tweet that he just posted, not a tweet that he posted yesterday. Of course, we know what Elon tweeted yesterday. Come on, bro. You gotta know the context. You can't jump in out of context and try to correct me when you don't know what I'm talking about. Of course, I know what Elon tweeted. Come on, dude. What rock do you think I've been living under? This is what Elon just tweeted 18 minutes ago, guys. 18 minutes ago. Not this. Not this. That was 2 hours ago. That was yesterday. 18 minutes ago. Keep up. Private equity firm revives zombie fossil fuel power plant to mine Bitcoin. This was posted 3 days ago. Oh my god, here goes more spams. Come on, my guy. You get the boot. You get the boot. You get the boot. I'm gonna have to make a song, and every time I boot somebody, I'm gonna play it. Like, you get the boot. Dun, dun, you get the boot. Dun, dun. I feel like it's a 70s disco song. I don't know why. I see people in like disco wear and afros. They're like, you get the boot. Boom, boom, you get the boot. All right. Enough of that. Let me see. Just reading what this says. So by the end of the year, they plan to have 18,000 specialized machines mining Bitcoin. And then it's going to add 10,500 more. When the project is complete, the miners will be using 79% of the power plant's capacity. $12 long-term jobs. People are filing the local community is filing lawsuits to halt the expansion, claiming it would violate New York law by discharging high temperature water into the stream and lake, that those discharges would increase the likelihood of harmful algae blooms. Damn. So between February 2020 and February 2021, the company mined nearly 1,186 Bitcoin at a cost of 2,869 per Bitcoin. That's crazy. That's crazy. I want to see how much money that is. Bitcoin price. What? Oh, am I on? Whoops. Whoops, I have my VPN on. Let me see how much is 1,000. What was it? 1,000. That's $58 million, guys. That's crazy. All right, let's look at the next article. You're gonna make the beat for me? You poor yet? I bought Bitcoin in 2016. I'll never be poor now. I'm not taking a look at altcoins today, Rush. $200 people watching, but only 170 likes. Come on, people. Nathan, yes, people buy and sell daily. Keenan says, by the way, happy EID to all Muslim people in the stream. I'm not sure what that means, but happy EID to you guys. $58 million profits. That's crazy. That's a lot of profit. All right, so let's see what the second article. This is a second article that Elon tweeted. As you guys can see right now, we're looking at the articles that Elon Musk tweeted. He tweeted 3 different articles. We saw the first one already. Now we're looking at the second one here. Let's see what this one, and they all seem to be pretty much about the same thing. About mining crypto, you know, renewable energy. Oh, it's a holy day for Muslims, like Thanksgiving. Got it. Yeah, sorry, I don't know it. All right, let's see what's going on here with this. I don't want to read all this. There's so much. Look at this. Yeah, I'm not gonna read all this. It's basically probably the same thing. I'll read it on my own later on. Let me see the last article. How much Bitcoin comes from dirty coal? A flooded mine in China just spotlighted the issue. A what? A flooded mine. Okay. Okay, Elon. I don't know what you're trying to do here. This is the other thing that he tweeted yesterday. Oh, I can't read it. Bitcoin produces 36.95 megatrons of carbon dioxide. And it is estimated that 30 years Bitcoin could alone increase global temperatures 2 degrees Celsius. About 65 cryptocurrency mining occurs in China where electricity is cheaper. Of course, Justin's son always wants to jump in on everything and promote promote his thing. Funny guy. Funny guy. Look at the picture of the rocket. Energy consumption. Someone's trying to promote their own coin. Trying to promote XRP. There's basically everybody just promoting the coin that they're invested in. That's funny. Current annual CO2 emissions globally. Not Bitcoin. Bitcoin, 0.13%. All right. Enough of that. Let's see where we're at, guys. All right, so we're getting a bounce. We have that bounce. We're at 49. We got to get above 52, guys. 52 is the magic number here. It is a number that we're going for. How many people have subscribed to the channel today? I have a bunch of notifications. Oh, I reached 250,000 views on my YouTube channel. Nice. 250,000. That's 25% to a million. And I've been doing this since August. Guys, I've been grinding for a long time now on YouTube. Wait, how do I look? Can I like zoom out of the... There you go. So I started doing videos again in August. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 months now, guys. Right? So August is my 1-year anniversary. We got to do something special. Also, I'm almost at 200,000 followers on Instagram. So at 200K, we're going to do a giveaway, guys. We're at 197. At 200,000, we're going to do a giveaway. This is what we're giving away that I have so far. Hold on, I wrote it down. Let's see. Where did I write down? All right, so we're giving away some nano ledgers. All right. We're gonna give away some trade room memberships, a free month trade room memberships. We're gonna give away some Bitcoin daily merch. All right, so if you guys don't know, we do have a merch site. If you go to bitcoindaily.store, this is our merch site. We're gonna be giving away some crypto here. I mean, not crypto, some shirts here. And then the last thing, we're gonna do a giveaway for some crypto. So we're going to give away some money. All right. So those are the 3 things that we're giving away once we hit 200,000 followers on Instagram. We're almost there. We're at 197. I imagine we should have 200 by possibly the end of this week. So next week, we'll probably start the giveaways. So we're almost there, guys. Evan Sean, you subscribed yesterday. Awesome. Homes of Highlights subscribed today. Amazing. The Viking subscribed today. Do I think Tesla will accept Doge? I have no idea. Maybe. Entry for Bitcoin is going to be above $52,000. 52K. I'm not doing any analysis on altcoins today, guys. Greetings from the Gold Coast. What's up, Mark? I need to go to the Gold Coast. How's the pandemic over there? Are things open? Are things closed? I have no idea what Raven coin is. I've never looked into it. For Ethereum, 3,800 is a risky entry. So I would say above 4,000 is probably, there'll be a lot more momentum if you enter above 4,000 for Ethereum. Tomorrow I'm going to do a breakdown video. I'm going to do an analysis, a deep dive analysis on both Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I will give the trade setups that I'm going to be looking for over the weekend. So make sure that you guys check out that video. Guys, we have 5 minutes left on the live stream here. So be ready, because remember, yesterday after I ended my live stream, yesterday I started to live stream when the price was falling. As soon as I started live streaming, the price jumped back up, right? Today, I started live streaming when the price was falling. As soon as I jumped on the live stream, look at that, green candle. Guys, I am correlated with the market. Look, I jumped on the live stream, right? Once I jumped, it was red, this candle. Once I jumped on, boom, green candle, right? Then I jumped off, red. I jumped on, Boom, green candle. So I will be jumping off in the next 4 minutes, and we're hoping that it's not gonna go red once I jump off. So let's see. We're gonna watch the market and see what's up here. Thank you guys so much. We have 157 people. Guys, we have averaged, I think we've averaged around 150 viewers for 2 hours straight. We had as high as around 250 viewers at one time. It's crazy. Oh, somebody wants to get banned. Boom. Got him with the boot. Boom. You didn't even get 2 seconds in here. You're out of here already. Dude got moved so fast. Nationwide lockdown. If all miners mine for themselves only and stop selling, there's always gonna be remember there's over 18 million cryptos circulating right now. So that happens all the time. If miners stop selling, that means Bitcoin is more scarce. There's more scarcity in the market, which means that Bitcoin's price goes up. You are in the matrix. If 48K holds, if 48,000 holds, then we should see a bounce up. If we break below 48, then we can see lower levels. I'll cover it more in an organized fashion on tomorrow's video. Well, I think it's real because I had COVID in November, so. Chico says, so I have to go short when you go off. Please stay, I'm in a long. Andre, thank you so much. Thank you for being on here. Keenan, peace and love, my brother. Alrighty, guys, I'm about to hop off. Thank you guys so much. We hit 180 likes, guys. We need 20 more likes. Can 20 of you hit like one more time? Just need 20 more of you to hit that like button, and we're gonna get 200 likes. And the price of Bitcoin is gonna go to 50K if you guys like the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, though. I appreciate you guys every time you guys tune in. You guys have been amazing. The channel overall continues to grow. Everything continues to grow, guys. On Instagram, we're almost at 200,000 followers. Thank you guys so much. On the YouTube page, let's see where we're at on YouTube. We're at 8,500. So we got to catch up. We got to catch up to the Instagram page. 200. We're almost at 200K. Here we're at 8,500. We got a lot of catching up to do, but we are grinding and we are working our way up. So thank you guys so much for being on here. Appreciate it. If you guys have any questions, drop it in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. Alrighty, guys. I will see you on tomorrow's video. If there is a dump tomorrow, then I'll stream again. I won't be able to stream again today because I'm leaving my house after this, but I will see you guys tomorrow. As always, peace and love, guys.